Let's do this. Here we go.
Kept it bottled up inside. Can you show me what it feels like to give yourself away? Why can't I hold this no one around who picks me up when I'm down like you do? And when you can't hear a sound, will the silence drown you too? Oh yeah. Who's going home with you tonight? Was it real? Am I part of your collection? Have you crossed the line? Who's going home with you tonight? Oh, I feel it's an open invitation. Is this how we say goodbye? Keep it secret somewhere down below, down below. I wish you had the heart to tell me that you sold your soul. So many things you couldn't let me know, let me know. You had to run away. Why can't I hold this no one around who picks me up when I'm down like you do? And when you can't hear a sound, will the silence drown you too? Oh, yeah. Who's going home with you tonight? Was it real or am I part of your collection? Have you crossed the line? Who's going home with you tonight? Oh, I feel that you're open invitation. Is this how we say goodbye? Who's going home with you tonight? Goodbye. Who's going home with you tonight? Can you tell me what is wrong and what is right? Who's going home with you tonight? Why can't I hold on to you? Yeah, why can't I hold on to you? Why can't I hold on? It's getting harder to see you alone. I've been waiting, and you're still at home. I have never ever felt so low. I've been thinking and thinking, where did you go? Who's going home with you tonight? Was it real or am I part of your collection? Have you crossed the line? Who's going home with you tonight? Oh, I feel that you're an open invitation. Is this how we say goodbye? Who's going home with you tonight? Goodbye. Who's going home with you tonight? Can you tell me what is wrong and what is right? Who's going home with you tonight?
What's up, Mohegan son? All right.